So I got the pickup for the Apple Watch Ultra confirmation right here. I'm gonna pick it at 4 p.m. today. I'm finally heading in to pick up my Apple Watch Ultra, and it's raining as well. This unboxing video is going to be done in the iPhone 14 Pro Max front-facing camera, and it's a video about the Apple Watch Ultra, which I have here. I just picked it from the Apple Store not too long ago, maybe 5-10 minutes ago. So as I said before, this morning I walked into the Apple Store and I asked them if they had the Apple Watch Ultra in stock with the Ocean Band, the navy color one. That was something that I was looking after because currently I have this Apple Watch Series 4 and I haven't upgraded since, so I thought it was time. Just yesterday I was at the Apple Store and I asked them, like, you know, if I pre-order now, how long it would take for the Apple Watch Ultra to be delivered. And the guy at the Apple Store was like, it shows the delivery time is like maybe end of October, if not mid-November or something. And I was like, that's a long wait when it's gonna be released tomorrow. The person was like, even if you come tomorrow, you might not get a chance, but do try. So I was like, okay, I'll walk in. So when I was at work, I went to the Apple Store during my lunch break and tried my luck, and the lady who attended me told me that, yeah, there is Apple Watch available to be picked up today, but we prioritize reservations. So since you don't have any reservation, I'll check when's the next earliest reservation slot available. And she was like, oh, it's today for 4 p.m. Can you come? And I was like, yeah, 100%. So I walked in at 4 p.m. and then got myself the Apple Watch Ultra. So that's the backstory. Now let's take it out of the box. That's what you see at the back, and the front is Apple Watch embossed here. It's kind of like engraved. So let's try to take it out of the box now. Oh, the inside is pretty amazing. So look, I'll show you this. So as you can see here, there's like this ocean wave thing. I think depending on what kind of Apple Watch Ultra you get with the band, this picture may change, but I could be wrong, I'm not sure. But this is amazing. So let's put this to the side. And obviously there's this book. Okay, it's just a book that shows the different Apple Watches. This one obviously is the Alpine, Ocean, and Trail. And I got the Ocean in the navy band. You also see here, like, you know, how to charge it and everything. So it's just information booklet thing. Obviously what each thing does, like buttons and crown does. And what I get here is, could be the warranty thing, but I'll leave it in. This is good because in the other Apple Watches, you don't really get this. And obviously since this Apple Watch is very costly, the experience, the unboxing experience obviously has to be good, right? Because this is 1,299 Australian dollars, this watch right here. So, okay, like 2 packages. This is the band right here. I don't know if this is the medium size band or the large, but I think medium should fit me. There's this arrow here. You can peel it out. Packed in very nicely. Nothing here. More paper. And that's the band here. It's very nice, kind of like silicone or something. I might need this band to put on the watch, so I'll keep it aside for now. This is the main box. Here. Here. You can see the arrows here. So all you have to do is peel. That's it, nice and simple unboxing. And let's see. Nice. Nothing here. Obviously the Apple Watch is here. And there's this, I think this, I'm assuming to be the charger. But let's lift this. Let's Let's take it out. Yep, USB-C and Apple Watch charger here. Let's see how long this is. It's pretty long. Okay, let's put the charger to the side because that's not why we're here. There's the Apple Watch. Let's take it. Look at it. It kind of feels heavy. Woo! It's the Apple Watch Ultra. Let me show you the back. The action button and the speaker, crown, and the normal button. Let me take my Apple Watch Series 4 out, and let me take the band out as well, just so that we could do a size comparison. Maybe kind of looks the same, but trust me, this is bigger and heavier. Just, yeah, but not as heavy. Now let's put the band in this one. Nice and slow. There we go. I want to get it out in a way where I don't damage anything. And it's out. Because I wear my Apple Watch on my right wrist, I just need to ensure that, you know, I've done it in the right way. Cool. One's in. Okay, the other one's in as well. And this band seems very big. So let's try to put it on. I haven't turned it on yet. Okay, so how does this lock into place? Oh, this right here, now it makes sense. Okay, so we need this. Take it out. I think you need to put this here. Maybe, I could be wrong, on the longer end. I think so. Putting on a watch has never been so complicated. No, that's not it. So how do you do it? That's the question. Is it something like maybe you do, so you put your band in. Now that you've done that, or am I doing it wrong? How about this? If I do this, I need to put it here. So how do I go about? Oh, you can pull this out like that. Okay, didn't know that. Okay, so again, trying it again. Now let's pull this out, and hopefully this should go in fine, like right here. Maybe. Yeah. You see here? I was able to push it in. Now, all I need to do is turn it and then ensure that, okay, it latches on like that. Now, what I can do is, there you go. Now it's all set. That's amazing though. It took a while, but, you know, it's there now. Now to take it off, nice and simple. Cool. Okay, now before this powers on, what I'll do is I will remove my existing Apple Watch from my iPhone, and then I'll come back. Currently it says unpairing Apple Watch. So my Apple Watch Series 4 is being unpaired so that I can pair my Apple Watch Ultra. Let's see. Now it says start pairing, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my Apple Watch Ultra here. Let's see if I can power this on. Yep, it's powering on. I hope this is automatically detected by my iPhone. Let's see if I can set it up. I want all my cards and everything here as well. Start pairing, set up for myself, and then, come on. Okay, yeah, Apple Watch is paired, and it does bring up the Apple Watch Ultra design. So let's just set up as a new Apple Watch. I wear it on my right side, so let's do right, then continue. Digital crown preference, if I do it on the right, it's gonna be on the bottom. Continue connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Let's put the phone here. I like this design on the Apple Watch Ultra. It's not too bad. Cool. Terms and conditions. Obviously agree. Okay, signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. Okay, watch analytics. This is something I hit don't share. So create a passcode. Like, let's create a passcode. Let's go to my Apple Watch. I'll create a passcode quickly. The screen is quite big, if I'm honest. Passcode done. I need to change the bands around. So the small one needs to go there and the big one needs to come here. So text size default is good. I don't need bold text or whatsoever. Optimize charge limit. Continue, makes sense. This basic setup. So set up cellular. I have a plan, so this should be set up. Let me do this quickly. Cool, it's signing in. It says still permits Apple Watch rather than Apple Watch Ultra. Okay, says cellular is ready. Installing will be ready soon. Okay, continue. Okay, Apple Pay. I'm setting up the Apple Pay card for my bank at the moment. Action button. Choose what you'd like the action button to do. Workout, stopwatch, waypoint, backtrack, dive, flashlight on, off. Let's do workout. We can change it later anyways. So depth. It says the depth app can automatically open underwater and measure temperature, time, and depth. So open depth when submerged. Why not? Diving safety. Underwater activities are risky. To dive safely, follow these recommendations before diving. Read the instruction and warnings in the Apple User Guide. Learn more, I'll read that later. To reduce risk of serious or fatal injury when scuba diving, always use a backup device and follow diving safety protocols. Continue. Always on display. Okay. Grid view. I always like the grid view. Welcome to Apple Watch. My watch. Face gallery. Okay, I think that's it. Apple Watch is set up. Now let me change the band the other way around. So as I said, I need to change the bands around. Click here. Click here. Let's move it around. Cool. Okay. I changed the bands the other way around. Before, the shorter end was below and the longer end was above. But that's good for if I want to wear the watch on my left wrist. But because I wear the watch on my right wrist, the shorter needs to be on the top. So let's put it on. Okay. Let's do a snug fit. Cool. Put it on the loop here. Cool. Fits nicely. See? Okay, it is bigger than my Series 4. So if we look at the two watches, you can see that the Apple Watch Ultra in size is bigger than the Series 4, obviously, but it looks good. That's pretty much it. This is the unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra. It got released today before it was on pre-order, but there you go. That's the size comparison. This is how it looks. This right here is just a mess I've made of my desk after the unboxing. Now time to clean and then head home from work. So I showed you everything, but I didn't show you the charging of the Apple Watch Ultra. So what I've done is, for the moment, I've plugged it in my MacBook. Yep, the watch is there. Charger is here. I'll show you how it charges now, or how it looks. Okay, it's stuck and it's charging. There you go. Apple Watch Ultra charging. I've packed the box now. I'm gonna put it in the bag and then take it home and store it with all the other boxes. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.